What do you mean by what do you mean by median generally? So median is the middlemost observation. Median means what is median? Yeah. So, median means the middlemost observation. Middlemost observation is called median. Suppose there is observation like this is there. Suppose I'll say in a class test of 10 marks conducted, and the students got 2, 5, 7, 3, 9, 8, 4, 7, 6, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Like this, they got. And suppose here the number of observation is how much? How many observations are there here? The number of observation. Tell me. There are 10 observations are there. So first thing is, for finding the median, first we have to arrange this in a ascending order. Now tell me what is the ascending order for this. First we have to write 2. 2 after will come 3. 3 after 2 over 3. Then 5. 5 over. Then comes okay, sorry. So 4 I didn't write. So 4 we have to write. Then after 5 you have to write. So 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, 7, 7, 7, then 8, 9, 10, then 8, 9, 10. So what is the middlemost observation here? The middlemost observation, there are see 1, 2, 3. There are how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 observations are there. So the middlemost observation means here the number of observation is even. If n is even, if n is even, then middlemost observation is most observation, or first is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Therefore, the median is equal to, now n by 2th observation is 10 by 2, 5th observation. What is the 5th observation here? 6. What is the 6th observation? 7. 6 plus 7 by 2 you have to write. That is 6.5. Okay, now suppose I'll give you another set of numbers, like suppose a class test of 10 marks only conducted. Students got 5, 9, 8, 6, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 5, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and one more observation, and the student got 9 marks. So here the number of observation, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Odd number of observation is there here. Now let's see this one. So let me increase the size here. Now write this in a ascending order. So writing in ascending order, what will you get? Ascending order. What will you get? The first observation is 0. Then comes then comes 1. 1 over 1 after comes 2. 2 is over. 2 after 3. And 2 3s are there. 3 3. 3, 3, then 4, 4, then 5, 5, 5, 5, then 6, 6, then 7, 7, then comes 8, 8, then comes 9, and this is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now tell me, what is the middlemost observation here? So let me write the number of observations. First, this is first observation: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 observations are there. So if n is odd, then what should I write? If n is odd, the middlemost observation is, can you say what will be the middlemost observation? Middlemost observation is, which observation will be the middlemost observation now? Which observation is the middlemost observation? N plus 1 by 2th observation. So therefore here, what will you get the median now? What will you get the median? Median is equal to n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2 means 13 plus 1 by 2 means 7th observation is the median. 13 plus 1 by 2 here. 13 plus 1 by 2, that is 14 by 2. 14 by 2 means 7th observation is the median. So 5 is the median here. Got it? Got it, everybody? So this is about the median of ungrouped data. This is not grouped data if it is the ungrouped data. So now suppose there is a grouped data is there. Then what will you do? Suppose there is take from NCERT. Okay. Here the marks obtained he gave. So let me take this one. So this is a marks obtained. Now you need to find out the median. How will you find? So no, hey. Look at here. So the marks obtained, and here we need to find out the cumulative frequency, right? Means I take this. Where I will now. This is less than cumulative frequency. LCF. LCF means what? Less than cumulative frequency. So less than cumulative frequency means, see, first of all, marks obtained, 20 marks obtained is 6 members, 25 marks obtained is 20 members. Means these are all in ascending order only there. So below 20 means up to 20, how many members are got means that is called less than cumulative frequency. Now see, what is LCF here? This is 6. Now up to 25, 6 plus 20 you have to add, that is 26. Up to 28, 28 means 26 below this, 24 plus 20 plus 6, or 24 plus 26 you add, then you will get 50. Then up to 29. So 28 plus this 25, 50 plus 28 is 78. 78. 78 plus this is 83, 93. This is 97, 99, 100. So the middlemost observation lies in the middlemost observation is lies in n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1/3 observation. Therefore, the median is either 50th observation or 51st. So therefore, median is equal to what? 28 plus 29 by 2. So 757 by 2, that is 28.5. This is the median. Got it? Got it, everybody? Come on, yes or no, you have to say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, this is the middlemost observation. See, he wrote like this: 20 up to 25. How many are there? Up to 25. Up to 28. That's why they live less than cumulative. Name is less than 25. How many are there? 26. Less than 29. Like that he wrote. So here, how he got the median now? The same 100. So 50th observation is 28, 51st observation is 29, so median is 28.5. Got it? Eh? Now we will see the grouped class intervals. So grouped class intervals means the class intervals are there. Only grouped intervals, so only one observation is there, that's different. Grouped class interval means again we have to go through one formula here. Just I want to. Okay, this is very important here. This formula. So what is median here? Right. So now copy the selected text. Now this one I will paste it here. So median means L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the number of observations, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class, and H is the class size. Okay, let's take one sum for this. So take a sum, right? And let's take the example. Always he is writing less than 10, but we will write a cumulative frequency that will be enough for us. Okay. Copy the selected text. Okay, see, this is the okay, this is right. Now here I have to write the less than cumulative frequency. Before that, there are two columns I need to write here. Keep here two columns. That is okay. So So less than cumulative frequency. Actually, LCF you'll write means enough, but we don't need to write any more thing here. So 3 columns is enough for this. Okay, less than cumulative frequency, LCF, less than cumulative frequency. For this what, now 0 to 10, 5 members are there, means less than 10, how many members are there? That is only generally, generally say less than 10, how many are there? So suppose I will write one column here for mentioning the less than 10, how many members are there? So that means if I write this, so less than 10, how many members are there? 10. 5 members will be there. Now tell me, less than 20, how many members will be there? So this is less than type of cumulative frequency table we are arranging. Less than 20, how many?
Sir, 8.
5 plus 8. Less than 30, how many members are there?
12.
So 8 plus 4, 12 we have to write. Less than 40. Less than 40. How many members are there? 12 plus 3, 15. Less than 50, how many members are there? Less than 50. 15 plus 3, 18. Now, less than 60, how many members are there?
22.
Yes, 18 plus 4, 22. Very good. So less than 70, how many members are there?
29.
22 plus 7, that is 29. And less than 80, how many members are there?
38.
29 plus 9, 38. Less than 90, how many members are there? 38 plus 7, 45. Less than 100, how many members are there? 45 plus 8, 53. Yeah? 53 we are getting it since
Yes, sir, 50s.
53 only, right? So that means actually 5, 5, 5. Okay. So here one thing we have to see here that here n by 2 is equal to what? See, generally this the last observation will be there. Now this is called n, right? N this one. Okay. So here n by 2 is equal to 53 by 2. 53 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 26.5. So 26.5th observation, where it lies? 26.5th observation, where it lies? 26.5th observation. Look at here. I'll underline this. This is called the median class. So, therefore, hence 26.5 you got. Hence, the median class lies in the median class lies in between 60 to 70, right? So that means here generally for us less than this is 70. Okay, Okay, sorry. Here, that means median class is lies between 60 to 70 means we have to take this value is uh, this value as L. Okay, na? Lower boundary of the median class, and this value we have to take it as CF. Means this is CF, cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. Cumulative, these are all cumulative frequency only. Cumulative frequency preceding to the median class means L is 60, CF is this, and another thing. What is this one? F. F is the frequency of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class, right? Now, therefore, L is equal to 60. N by 2 is equal to 26.5, and CF is equal to 22. F is equal to 7. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F, and here the class length H is 10 actually. So the median is equal to, what will you say? Median formula L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H, right? L plus L means how much here? 60 plus N by 2 means what should I write? N by 2 means already we got 26.5. Directly can I write 26.5? 26.5. Here already we got 26.5 minus CF. CF is cumulative frequency. It's 22. 22 you write. Divided by H. The class length is the difference. The difference between the lower limit to lower limit, higher limit to lower limit is 10. Just you write 10 into. Sorry. So class length is H is 10. I have to write here, and frequency I need to write there. Frequency I have to write here. What is the frequency here? Frequency of the median class. What is the frequency of the median class here? 7. 7 is the frequency of the median class, right? So 60 plus 26.5 minus 22, how much? 4.5. 4.5 into 10, 45. 45 by 7. 60 plus 7 6 is 42. 42 3 7 4 is 28. Means 2 7 2 is 14, and so 4 3, actually 4 3 we can write 6.43, approximately we'll write 6.43. That means we'll get what? 66.43. Therefore, the question, the median marks of the student. Therefore, median marks of the students is 66.43. Got it, everybody? Got this one, right? Now, see here, the given that the median of the following data is 525, already given, and find the value of X and Y if the total frequency is 100 is given. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is less than cumulative frequency, we have to construct the table. So means LCF, so one column we have to add here, right? So this is Black color means better. No? Just a minute. Okay. Just I'll draw one column. I need to draw. That's it. So one column. No. Here also. Okay. Let's see. This is less than cumulative frequency. Here I have to write less than cumulative frequency. So less than cumulative frequency, we have to write. Let's write this the values first. So first thing is what see here below 100. How many are there? That one we are calculating. How many are there here? 2. Then after next value, how much? Come on. 2 plus
5,
5, 7. Then here 7 plus x. Here 7 plus 12, so 19 plus x. Then 36.
36 plus 6.
So 56.
56 plus 6.
So next 56 plus x plus y. Then 65 plus x plus y. Then 72 plus x plus y. Then 76 plus x plus y. Okay, now. So here the total frequency. That means here already he gave the total frequency. So first of all, I'll write the total frequency. Here is the total frequency. Total frequency means n already. N means that is 100. N is 100 here. Therefore, generally the total frequency when we are adding all, we are getting this value is there. Now this is also unknown. Yes or no? Therefore, what can I write this? Means therefore n means 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. So therefore x plus y is equal to 100 minus 76 is equal to 24. So this is the equation number 1. Now okay. So now here x plus y is equal to 24 we got. Now here median already given. The median is equal to 525. Hence, median class lies between where is the median class lies? 500 to 600. 500 to 600. So what is the median formula then? So median formula. Come on, median formula what? L plus, this is we need to remember this, n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Okay, first of all, we need to identify what is L here. So here, So see, median class, when I'm saying 500 to 600 means this must be L, right? And this L above this is there, na? This is CF. So this is CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency preceding to the median class. So, and LCF, okay. Now here, let me try this. L is equal to what? L is equal to 500. Means 100 by 2 means that is 100 by 2, that is 50. L plus n by 2. And CF is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F, frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class means this value is there. Now this is called F, frequency of the median class, that is 20. And the class length is H is here 100. Therefore, median L plus, L means 500 plus already median value, you know that median value is nothing but 525 already given, right? 500 plus n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 is already 100 by 2. I can write 100 by 2. So don't write this equation 76 plus x plus 5. This one, no, we don't need to. Already he gave the total number of observation minus CF. CF means we have to bound to write 36 plus x. So this is only variable is the variable term. So divided by F. F means this is 20 into H. What is the class length here? 100. 100 is the class length. So that is equal to what he gave the median value, 525. 525. Now bring this 500 this side, then I will write here 20 is going is cancelling 100 with 5 times. Then I'll write this is 50 minus 36 minus x whole into 5 is equal to what I'll do, 500 I'll bring this side. So 525 minus 500, that is nothing but 25, right? Now 5 I'll bring this side. So 50 minus 36 is equal to how much? 14. 14 minus x is equal to 25 by 5, that is 5. This is equal to, now x is equal to 14 minus 5, that is 9. Okay, na? 14 minus 5, that is 9. Now x we got now. Now putting x is equal to 9 in equation 1. So 9 plus y is equal to 24. That means y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 24 minus 9, that is 15. This is the missing frequency model. So therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 50. That's it. This is the answer. Got it, everybody? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way. So the relation between the mean and